It's really easy. Just say. Hi guys, I'm Aron from Korea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to say hi, hello in Korean. It's really easy. Just say 안녕 or 안녕하세요. 안녕, 안녕하세요. Like this.
안녕. 안녕.
안녕. What's the difference? 안녕 and 안녕하세요. 안녕 is informal and casual version. You can say to your friend or someone who younger than you or same age. 안녕하세요 is formal, polite version. You can say to someone who older than you or someone who is not close to you. For example, 안녕. 안녕. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. That's it. See? Easy. Easy Korean. Today, try to say hi to your friend. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you want to know something about Korea, let me know. Let me in the comments. Then, I will make videos about that. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more. Okay, see you later.